Good day, good day. I hope everyone is doing great. What's really happening on the market, guys? It's weekend, it's Saturday. You know what? I thought, let's just make this video on Saturday because on Sunday I won't be available. I will be busy with some other stuff. So yeah, today it's going to be the same because as long as the market is not really moving, that will be great. So on our economic calendar, the next week economic calendar, remember it's almost the last week actually, so which means we're gonna have some PMIs. I don't know if maybe if I yeah, let me just zoom that again. So you can see that next week we don't really have much, but it's all these PMIs along the way. So Monday you can see that we have Europe, we have GBP, we have US, all PMIs. So I think it's going to be interesting, but don't expect any crazy move. I think the crazy move that we still expect, it's coming from the FOMC. They did cut the rates and I'm expecting to see some serious bounce back. At the moment, it seems like the market is still digesting the news, but I think this is also going to add on top of that. So on Tuesday, we have interest rates from Australia, consumer confidence from the US. On Thursday, CPI from Australia, final GDP. This is going to be important for the US. If we see this number going down, that is not really going to be good because it means that US economy it's slowing down. You can see that the forecast is actually 2.9 coming from 3. So we'll see what is going to be the actual number. And the same day, we're also going to have unemployment claims or jobless claims. Powell is also going to speak. So it's going to be interesting, by the way. So Friday, we also have PCE, very, 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 very important. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Guys, I'm actually giving you, until month end, we're giving everyone a lifetime signal. Lifetime signals, which means you pay once for only $59. But the actual price, let me show you that. Maybe you already saw that. So this is just only, we already have these new prices, but I thought maybe let's push this until month end. Then we can start these new prices on the new month, which is going to be October. So this is what we have. You can see that $59 is actually for 6 months, but you can get a lifetime for actually 69. So actually we can say you're saving $39 or you're actually saving $40. So you pay once, then you forget and you just enjoy our services. So now what do we have? We have a dollar index. This is something that shows us or helps us to understand what's really happening with the US economy. If things are going quite lower, we will see here. If things are not really going the way we want, we will see it here. Yes, you can see that we are coming from that nice bullish move. We are no longer on that, obviously. So we are talking about this downtrend structure. Obviously, this downtrend structure, it is still just chilling. It's not really like bothered by the news. But what we know is we are on this nice ranging structure. The market is ranging, but I think the market will continue to go even lower. That's what I'm expecting at the moment. We can see that after the breakout, the market still showed us that, you know what, guys, we are on a downtrend, but bit slower, which means, yeah, we see that the dollar it's quite weaker, but not really as aggressive as we thought, even though they did cut the rates. But that actually means that the economy is doing well, because once they cut the rates, there will be enough people who are going to participate in the economy, as they are going to take the loans, they are going to buy the house, they are going to buy the cars, all these things, because inflation is going down, interest rates is going down. So that is going to be good for the economy. We're going to see enough participation or enough actually activities happening on the economy or for consumers, and that is actually good. That's why we don't really just see a crash, you see. So the market will still try maybe to go down and stuff like that, but yeah, I think the market will just still go a little bit slower. I think that will happen. Or at the end of the day, the market might just consolidate along the way. But at the end of the day, the market is still going actually down. I hope you understand that. So let's push to the next one, which is GBP. Guys, please smash that subscribe button. By subscribing doesn't really mean you're going to watch my videos every day, or maybe they're going to pop on your home on your YouTube home every day. No, just subscribe just to help the channel to grow. This is going to be like algorithm that is going to actually help this channel. Other guys or other people or other traders, they will actually able to find this channel. So by smashing that subscribe, you're not wasting your effort or something. Also you are learning, you see. So now we are on GBPUSD. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market it's still, if you still remember, we did identify this trend for quite some time. We had a very nice bullish move there, uptrend structure, and it seems like the market already is breaking out of that resistance area. As I said before, that I'm expecting to see a continuation of that bullish move, as you can see that we had a resistance, and likely enough the market is breaking out slowly. It seems like that interest rates thing from the US, or FOMC rates cuts, it seems to be taking that effect, and we've been waiting. And I think now we are going to see these nice moves. At the end of the day, we are on that nice uptrend. I don't think maybe we have much here on GBP USD, because I think it's quite straightforward. And we can also see it here on gold. The market is already doing that. The market is already pushing to the upside. Plus, guys, if you don't really forget, when you trade, actually you have to be up to date with the economic news, geopolitics. At the moment, we have like serious geopolitics or tensions in the Middle East, and that also can push gold to go higher. Ukraine, Russia also, they still have those tensions. And if you don't know, mostly gold is like safe haven, so most likely we will buy gold. But since they did cut the rates on the US, it means also gold is quite attractive, so it's not really as bad as before. So we might not really see those crazy moves, because US will be also doing much better, you see. So the US economy will be like seriously functioning very nice. So which means we're not gonna focus only on gold. But at the moment, since the tensions are still going up, gold will still see those nice moves. So the overall structure here, I think, is quite straightforward. We are coming from this nice, we've been talking about this bullish move. So at least the market yesterday did break out of this area. So I'm expecting to see some very nice continuation push to this upside. The overall structure, we are on that uptrend structure. Yes, the market won't just go straight up like that. Expect some reversal along the way, and then we're gonna get those nice bullish structure or those uptrends. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So now let's push to the next one, which is going to be a USD. Not USD. US30. On US30, you can see that we've been struggling to break this resistant area, and finally we were able to, the market was able to break out of that. But the overall structure, as you can see, this is a proper uptrend structure. So we had this resistance, which was quite stronger. We can see that the market was respecting that. Likely enough, the market broke out. But where we are, obviously, the market created a nice resistance. So the market might break out of that. We can jump on the bar on that buy if the market breaks out of that structure, or maybe the market might reverse to retest here. You can see we don't really have a proper retest. Then maybe twice or three times, it will depend, and then we will see the market continuing with that type of a structure. Maybe at the end of the day, we're gonna have something like that, as we are on this continuation of a bullish move or uptrend. So on Friday, I think it was a little bit later, the market on Nasdaq, as we are on Nasdaq, the market tried to reverse. I think Nasdaq, it's quite visible, or I think it's clear on 4 hours time frame. So yeah, we can change that. So we can see that we are coming from this nice reversal. It was a bit aggressive. Then after that, we can see that the market is trying to bounce back. the market is trying to bounce back towards this uptrend structure. So we broke out, then the market did, actually we can say the market did touch this level. But what we can do here is we can just mark this level and say, you know what, the market around this level, we can say this is a potential resistance that we are going to use. Then the market might just move like that. You see that? This is a proper structure, so which means we might still have several touches before we see a nice push to the upside. Yes, we expect to see some continuation of that uptrend, but it won't just move straight up like that. So it will have to move like a market. You know how the market moves, right? So, and that's what I'm expecting. Guys, don't forget that you can get our lifetime signal for only $59. $59, our lifetime signals. Until month end. As you can see there, this is going to be our new or normal prices starting from next month, which is going to be October. So for now, you can still join $59. You can see it's actually 6 months, but you can join that and you're gonna get lifetime signals or services. So let's push to the next one, which is going to be S&P 500, quite similar to what we got on Nasdaq 100. So we can see that, yes, the market is actually pushing to the upside. So yeah, this is what we have. This is what we have. So we have something like this. So we're waiting for the market to break this level, or maybe the market will be retesting on this support area before we get a proper move to the upside. This is S&P 500. Most likely, or it's obvious that it's going to react quite the same as Nasdaq or US30. So we still expect to see the market pushing to the upside as we are on that nice uptrend structure. Do you see that? So the next one is going to be Nvidia, but let's push straight to oil. I saw Nvidia, it was trying to reverse, but what we have on oil here is the market is still playing around the same level. But at the end of the day, yes, this is still a downtrend structure. So the market is still around this zone. So it seems like it's struggling to break. Maybe we might see a reversal, or maybe the market might break to this point where we have a resistance. From there, maybe we will have another continuation of that downtrend. Or maybe the market might decide to break out. That will be up to the market. So at the moment, we just have to wait around these levels and see what it's going to happen. So anyways, guys, I did not really want to make this video very long. I hope you're going to have a very great weekend in South Africa. This coming week is going to be a long weekend. I think it's a Heritage Day on Tuesday or something like that. It's going to be a holiday. So anyways, I hope maybe you are going to enjoy the weekend. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. Don't forget to smash that. So thank you very much. Bye.